What are network support services? Network support services for a small to medium business would, we'd be able to come in and help you with things like configuring your firewall, monitoring your switches, and other network infrastructure like access points and your Wi-Fi, those types of things. We can take in all of the different logging, all of the different alerting from those devices and help you act quicker to keep that environment up and running, as well as act quicker to a problem to keep that up and running, as well as really just configure it in a way that will be more beneficial. It will run smoother, those types of things. Not to mention the security of it, right? You want to make sure that your network is secure, making sure that you stay up to date on that and that you have somebody watching that. A healthy network really keeps your business up and running efficiently. We offer end-to-end network support, network monitoring, network design. If you have a new building, we can come in and design your entire Wi-Fi infrastructure for you to make sure that you have reliable connectivity there, as well as the security around it.